So today we're going to harvest our potatoes. Let me show you where they are. So right here's the corn. So right from here all the way to this kale line is where we have the potatoes planted.
Juicy taters.
Yeah, so.
They're awesome. They're really fun to harvest. We almost got 2 buckets for you soon.
So these red potatoes were just organic potatoes that I bought from Walmart. And they were starting to sprout and I planted them. And they actually look really nice.
This one's small and it has a bite in it.
Yeah, put that in the tiny bucket.
Oh, you have any?
This one has a big bite.
I've been throwing out my tops behind me.
Oh.
Yep, I think your bucket's full. Oh, that's not a red potato. That's very exciting. So these potatoes I did not plant in the spring. They were actually leftovers from last year that we didn't harvest, I guess. And because once you grow potatoes somewhere, it seems like you'll have them there forever. Oh, it's a little caterpillar. So this is how much we have so far. And that's all we've done. It's a heart potato.
That's really cool. This plant wasn't that big and it has a lot of potatoes.
Yeah.
Very impressive.
Some really big ones.
Yeah. There you go.
Whoa.
Wait, no, not that one. Now you gotta get the potatoes out of here. There's a huge load of potatoes right in the spot where you got this plant off. I'll get this plant out of your way.
All right, so we got 2 rows done. And this is what we have so far. So these are all the good ones. These all have bites taken out of them. And these are the little tiny ones. So that's a lot for just 2 rows of potatoes. Woo. This is probably more what I planted. These look good. So these are also potatoes from the store. I just bought organic ones. And they were the golden potato.
You weren't putting them in the bucket.
Well, that was
That's
a big
pretty
one. Let me
That's
see
a nice
that
one.
one. That's a big potato.
Ooh. Ooh. Yeah.
Oh my
Jackpot.
gosh.
In.
Yeah, so when I planted these, they hadn't really sprouted yet. So I wasn't, wow, that was a
Whoa.
big one. So I wasn't really sure if they were going to grow or not.
I
But
keep finding big ones.
they grew.
I think we probably tapped out that area. Oh, you got some real good stuff right there. Holy crap.
Whoa, that's big potato.
Whoa.
Wow. So I'm sorting the potatoes right now. So the ones with bites, they go in a different bucket. And this just helps save a little bit of time later. And the really, like this one, he's okay. The really tiny ones I put in this bucket. And there's nothing wrong with them, but I'll probably cook those up for the pigs because we really don't need them. All right, we're gonna stop for today, but we did 4 rows and we have 3 rows left. And this is what we got. So we got 2 Easter buckets of little potatoes that I probably will cook up and give to the pigs. I've got this much bit potato. Some of them aren't really good at all, and then others, see, this one isn't so bad. We can just cut that off and eat it. And then we've got half a crate of beautiful potatoes and a full crate of beautiful potatoes. So that's actually quite a bit of potatoes for just 4 rows. So this is day 2, and we are going to harvest the rest of our potatoes. So we have 3 more rows. So a row here, a row there, and a row there. And this variety of potato is one that we grew last year, and we just saved back some seed potatoes to replant. So these potatoes are more like, I guess, like a russet potato. I don't really know my potatoes well. They're quite large, actually. So we'll see if these are large. Who's going first?
I want to.
You can grab all the stalks at the same time. This is also your stalks.
Oh, that's a stalk too?
Yep.
Well, okay, that is a big one.
This one like grew potatoes up on the branches.
Yeah. Wait, what else is in there?
You're just gonna. Oh, like what's the one that's considered a small?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, wow.
That was a little
Everyone's
jackpot pocket.
snatching them up before I can get to them.
Love the little worm guy.
So we finished 1 row. This is what we got so far. These are pretty big potatoes. All right, 2 more to go. It's another heart potato.
I feel something.
All right, we harvested them all. You can see the kale now. So the last row was right along here. And these are all the potato tops. And let me show you what we got. So these are really green ones. This one's even growing. And these are little tiny ones that we may eat or we might cook up for the pigs. This, we don't have very many bad ones, but these are ones with chew marks. And these are actually usable, but they probably won't store as long. And then we've got 1 crate here, and underneath, that crate is completely full. So, got quite a bit of potatoes. There was some weird ones in there. So we found this one. And this was the other weird one. It looks like a foot. But most of them were actually really pretty looking, like normal potatoes.
Excuse me.
So this is our final harvest. We have the red ones that we picked earlier, the russet type potatoes, and the chewy potatoes, and the little tiny potatoes.